First, let's diagnose why your Goodman GSX16 outdoor fan isn't spinning. Before any hands-on work, turn off the power to the unit at the breaker box. Safety first. Begin by visually inspecting the fan blades for any obstructions. Remove any leaves, sticks, or other debris that might be preventing free movement. Attempt to manually spin the fan blades. If they spin freely with little resistance, the motor itself is likely not seized. If there is significant resistance, the motor bearings may be failing. If the fan motor is hot to the touch, it is likely that the overload protector has tripped. If the fan spins freely but doesn't start on its own, the capacitor is the prime suspect. If the fan spins freely but doesn't start on its own, the capacitor is the prime suspect. Again, ensure the power is off. Locate the capacitor, usually a cylindrical component within the control panel. Before touching it, discharge the capacitor using an insulated screwdriver by carefully shorting across its terminals. Use a multimeter to test the capacitor's microfarad rating and compare it to the rating printed on the capacitor. If the reading is significantly lower than 10% off, replace the capacitor with one of the same voltage and microfarad rating. If the capacitor tests good, or replacing it doesn't solve the problem, inspect the fan motor wiring for loose connections or damage. Use a multimeter to check for voltage at the motor when the unit is supposed to be running. If there is no voltage at the fan motor, the contactor may be faulty, or there may be a break in the wiring from the contactor to the fan motor. If there is proper voltage to the fan motor, but the fan motor still does not run, the fan motor may need to be replaced.